The wipers on the new Smart no longer work. The reason is a faulty wiper motor. To replace, bring the wiper blades into the end position, turn off the ignition and remove the key. Then open the service flap. Unscrew the holders. And hang the service flap in the brackets. With a suitable tool, lever out the wiper linkage and move the rods to the side. Then unscrew these two screws from the wiper motor. And unplug the electrical connector. Then undo the nut and remove the wiper motor. Installation is in the reverse order. The functions test of the windscreen wiper completes the repair.